Welcome to the first ever segment of Microwave Mondays, where we just throw random stuff in a microwave and see what happens. And in honor of this being the first one, we're gonna start with something crazy. Here goes the cat. I'm kidding. I would never do that. I love this kid. But we are gonna start with plum. I don't know, we'll see. Grapes are supposed to be pretty cool, so we'll see how good the plum does. We are gonna set the microwave for 3 minutes. Not quite the explosion I was hoping for, but we will be doing it again next Monday. So leave a comment down below with what you would like to see microwaved until it explodes or melts.